Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'll be making patriotic cards using the Coffee with My Gnomies stamp of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop. Here I'm bringing in two dies, which are stars from scrapbook.com and the rectangular die with hearts from Mama Elephant. I chose the Doodlebug Yankee Doodle pattern paper and a Mojo Monday sketch right there. And I'm also bringing in silver foil pearls from Studio Katia. Here are the elements I'm bringing in. I went ahead and colored my gnomes ahead of time with my copic markers and chose 3 sentiment cut aparts from the pattern paper. Here are the pattern papers I'm using. The stars have a beautiful silver foiling on them. And then I chose a muted background, which are some clouds. And here is the die cut rectangle. And what I love about this is, of course, the stitch detail, as well as the wavy border around. It kind of mimics a flag to me, so that's why I chose it. So I cut my stars pattern paper about a 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch smaller, just so I can see the stitch detail on my red cardstock there. And I'm using real red cardstock from Stampin' Up, and I'm just gluing my pattern paper in the center. And as you can see, the sketch is on the top left side of my screen. If you want to see a closer look at this, I'll also have that on my blog post, which I will put below there. I'll also have a list of items that I used in my video. And since the Yankee Doodle collection is an older collection from Doodlebug, there's really not a lot of items available from this collection anymore. But they do have a newer collection, which is called Land That I Love. And it's similar as far as the pattern and the color. And so I'll link to that below as well. And I'll also link to whatever is left from scrapbook.com if you're interested to see what's left. I think I saw, I want to say, stickers from the Yankee Doodle collection as well as washi tape. But I did see Land That I Love have more items, such as like the pattern papers, the 6x6 paper pad, and I think ephemeras. So I'll link to those. So here I'm just gluing my star. And what I really love about this sketch is that I love how you can just turn the paper. It's not straight, so it gives your card character. I decided not to pop up any of my images because I wanted it to just lay flat so it's easier for me to mail. And I did cut the sentiment cut aparts because I thought that these would make great birthday cards to my friends or family with birthdays in July. So my mom's birthday is in July, so I thought this would make a great birthday card for her. And so it's really versatile. I think this stamp set is versatile because you can color the gnomes to whatever theme you're going for. So I think they would make great Christmas gnomes too. So whatever your pattern paper you're using or the color theme you're using, I think these gnomes would fit any season. So here I'm just placing my gnomes to where it's pleasing to my eye. And what I really wanted is to see the stars from behind so you can tell that they're, that I die cut the stars. So I didn't put it all the way to the right. So instead I put it to the left, as you can see here. And now I'm just adding glue to these. So I know Mother's Day weekend just passed. I hope all of the mothers out there had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. I know I did. I spent time with my family and I crafted, relaxed a bit, watched movies, binge watched a few shows. So I really had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. I'll be taking my mom out on Tuesday because I really didn't want to be in the crowd over the weekend. So we're going to go out on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. And so she's looking forward to that because I'll be taking her to the casino. So for the last finishing touch, I'm adding these silver foil pearls from Studio Katia, and I'm just going to embellish this to where I want the eye to go. So I'm putting some near the sentiments as well as on the top left side, because I have a lot of blank space there, and that will finish up the card. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that this provides some inspiration to those who are subscribed to the Stamp of the Month. Now, this is still available at Yankee Shop, and you can get the stamp set just by itself, or you can add on the dies. And what's awesome about the dies is that it die cuts the sentiments all around, which is a really nice detail to add to your card. I'll also link to the first video I made with this. I made 5 cards using one sketch. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will have that link down below, which is a hop. And that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.